In this video, I'm going to show you our new patient registration form. This is designed for dental clinics. It's a fully editable form. You can add your own company logo, you can set your primary colours, and this form is fully editable, so you can edit any of the content or the fields. We've just created this to get you up and running as quickly as possible, so I'll run through the form very quickly with you in a second. It's a web form, so it can be accessed on any device, so phone, laptop, PC, tablet. You don't need any kind of app. And this form can be sent to your new patients remotely. So this could be sent to them via email, text, SMS, WhatsApp. You could add it onto your main website, so patients could register via the website. You could add it to your social media. Basically, you could add this form anywhere, from an electronic perspective. So this registration form, again, it's going to have fairly standard information. All of these fields are set to mandatory. We've got an easy to use sort of date picker for date of birth, email address, all of the standard information you would expect to collect from a new patient. We've got emergency contact details. When did they last visit a dentist, their doctor's information, and then of course some medical history questions. So we go through all of the key questions that you would expect to ask. Again, you can add to these, you can edit them, you can remove any. So they would go through the form, they would complete all of this information. It's really quick and easy. This form is mobile optimized, so if they open it up on their phone, then it automatically resizes, so it's really quick and easy for them to go through and complete. And when they get through to the end of the form, they can sign electronically. So if they're using a phone or a tablet or any touchscreen device, they can simply tap on the signature area and scribble their signature with their finger. If you're on a laptop or PC, you just click on the signature area and then you can use the mouse or the mouse pad to then just add your signature. You then print your name, hit the done button, and there we have the electronic signature, the printed name, and the date and the time the form was signed. We've got a data protection and privacy statement at the bottom. And when the patient goes to submit the form, what will happen is the form will check to see if any mandatory fields have been missed. And in this case, I've missed a field. I click on OK and it takes me to that particular missing field. This is really important because it means the form is always completed in full. You can specify which fields you want to be mandatory or optional, and so the form is always complete, which is very important. There is an option for the patient to send a copy of this to themselves, so they've got a copy for their own records. And when they hit the submit button, you will get an email notification to say this particular patient, so Joe Bloggs, has submitted a new patient registration form. From that email, you can view the form, you can download it as a PDF, and the form also gets uploaded to the IPEGS portal. On the IPEGS portal, you've got folders and subfolders, so you can organize all of your patients and your clients and your forms. And from the portal, you can also view, download, and delete that patient data if you need to. You can also export the data to a spreadsheet. So if you want to export all of that patient data because you want to import it into one of your internal systems, then you can do that via the IPEGS portal. So that is our new patient registration form. If you want to have a look at this form and test this form out yourself, you can do so via the link below. And we have lots of other similar templates to this available on the IPEGS system.